Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usumbut Myntri rangba habayakren bat kajing sapriang jong kajing Pyndait kelam ya kakali pulit ha kini ki kendiat sengi uloong ba ka sorkar kala penchitom bat Bthah ru sheki pulit ba compare la phihe ne phirit la kadei ya ki Ophisar ki balahe ki Ophisar ne ki MLA ne ki minister habala bu ya ki jaka penyang kali penon kam ki ka sorkar kala Bthah ya ki pulit ba ki dei banle da ka bating batre ya ka kam ha kalendi ka badbet.
We will say anything. But let me tell you, that direction has been given from the government side to all the police force. No matter how big or small you are, but law has to prevail. Be it the senior officers, be it the ministers, be it MLAs, or be it anybody. When we already created a parking space where you need to park the vehicle, you please respect that and do that only. So beyond that, I'm telling you, we have already instructed the police force who are looking after traffic or in the police station, who are looking after law and order, that they have to be stringent and they should not mind, do your job rightly. That's it.